Module 4, Lesson 3, Topic 2, Define a named range. In the previous topic, you named a table. You can also name a range of cells. Naming a range can be useful for quickly navigating to the range from the name box or go to command. It can also help simplify the process of referencing cells in a formula. There are several different commands you can use to name a range. Let's start with the name box. First, select the range you want to name. Then, select the name box, then type or input a name and press enter. Next, let's work with the Create from Selection command. Select the range you want to name, including the row or column labels. Then go to the Formulas ribbon, Defined Names, and then select Create from Selection. In the Create Names from Selection dialog box, select the checkboxes depending on the location of your row or column header. And then select OK. The Define Name command is another way to give a range a name. First, select the range you want to name. Then go to the Formulas tab, Defined Names group, and select Define Name. Then in the New Name dialog box, Name field, enter a name. The Scope field is set to Workbook by default. This means the named range is accessible from a worksheet of the workbook. If it only needs to be accessible from a specific worksheet, select the arrow, and from the drop-down list select the name of the worksheet. Add an optional comment about this range in the comment field. The Refer to field displays the worksheet and range specified. If the range needs to be updated, select this field. If the New Name dialog box is in the way of the range, select the arrow within this field to collapse the dialog box. Select the range, then select the arrow again to expand the dialog box. And then select OK. The Name Manager command is one other method to create a named range. First, select the range you want to name. Then go to the Formulas tab, Defined Names group, and select Name Manager. Then select New. In the New Name dialog box, in the Name field, type or input a name. And follow the steps what you have learned earlier. Then select OK. Named ranges cannot be managed through the name box area. If a named range needs to be updated or deleted, use the Name Manager command. To edit a named range, go to the Formulas tab, select the Defined Names group, and select Name Manager. In the Name Manager dialog box, select the named range from the list. Then select the Edit button. Make the necessary changes to the name, scope, comment, and refers to fields, then select OK and close. Here's how to delete a named range. Go to the Formulas tab, select the Defined Names group, and select Name Manager. In the Name Manager dialog box, select the named range from the list. Select the Delete button. A question displays asking if you are sure you want to delete the named range. Select OK. Select OK again. Select Close. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Sorting and filtering. Keep learning.